So let's start ang ating balimbing chicken. Ito yung ating balimbing. Literal, pipigaan lang natin to. Lalagyan ko lang din ng honey. I-reduce lang natin to by half, and then after nun, saka natin ilalagay yung ating basil leaves. So medyo makapal na yung ating balimbing. We'll just turn off the heat. And then, yung ating basil. We work on our chicken. Season lang natin ng salt.